Hi, my name is Jackson.
And I'm Cody, and this is Jax&Co. All right, today, episode 2, I guess. We have another 2022-2023 Series 2 Upper Deck box. Our last one was a bit of a dud, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we thought, you know what? Let's do it all over again. All right, I'll let you do the honors. This one still has the plastic on because somebody had a little more patience this time, I think, wasn't there? Hopefully we get a few better young guns. Where did we pick this box up at?
AMG Collectibles and Bed.
Bedford Place Mall, yeah. Shout out to those guys for always being helpful. Okay, ooh, alright. The first pack.
So easy.
Canvas Young Gun.
Ooh. Oh, Arbor Jackeye. Already a great start. The Canadians. This guy was a pleasant surprise, I think, for Montreal.
Yeah,
Recognize him?
I think.
Yeah. He's a goon, but he put up some points this year, too. That's an awesome young gun.
I think I see another canvas. Yeah.
Oh. We have Ehlers UD canvas. Nothing special. Take your time. I think you might have skipped. Oh,
Brady Kachuk.
Oh, my boy Brady Kachuk. Being a big Sens fan. Again, just a canvas, though. I don't see nothing really special about that one. What do we got?
I think we have a welcome lunchbox.
Oh,
Kyle Connor lunchbox. Legends.
so we did check into these Lunchbox Legends cards after the last
The
video,
Quentin
and
Byfield was like $2 $1-ish.
yeah, not very, not much value, but man, they look cool. Over there.
Young Gun, Shane Wright,
Oh,
Young
there
Gun.
we go. There we go. Finally, getting some nice hits in this box. Shane Wright, Seattle Kraken.
I didn't.
Oh, great shape. He had a bit of a
Okay year.
rough start, but I think he's gonna rebound. Still young. Did well at the World Juniors
Yeah.
when they were in Halifax.
Young Guns again.
Oh, another one. There we go. Corey Schumann.
I don't
recognize him. So he made his NHL debut December 28, 2021, and got an assist. You recognize him, but I'm liking the way these packs are going so far. Oh, a UD rookie, Braden Tracy,
UD
with
rookie
the Ducks. This card, we checked on the UD rookies before. Not really worth much.
That much. Canvas, I think.
Lots of canvas cards. What do we got? Victor Arvidsson with the Kings. Again, no foil. Sometimes the black canvases can be a bit better.
We got a Young Gun canvas of Quentin Byfield.
We did. We sold that one, I think, didn't we?
Ooh, Black Trevor
Look
Zegras.
at that.
Canvas.
We were just talking about it. That's a nice find. UD canvas, Trevor Zegras.
Black.
It's not the Young Gun, but it's the blackout, which looks.
You should put that in the sleeve.
Oh, we'll be putting all these in sleeves. That's a really nice card. Yeah, this box is way better.
World Junior Grads, Jack Eichel.
Yeah. Jackie Eichel.
Oh, and a checklist.
Okay, yeah,
Nathan
we
McKinnon
checked in the
Leon
Leon. We had the Leon Draisaitl World Junior Grad last box, and not really worth much, but kind of cool. Cool checklist. I'm liking the Shane Wright, the Arbor Jack-Eye. Or Wi-Fi, I
We
guess.
have a welcome to San Jose.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
I like those cards.
Yeah, these cards are pretty cool. Looks like a postcard. I think we've got the Islanders, Philly. I'm not sure who
Winnipeg.
Oh, Winnipeg, yeah, you're right. And Juicy.
French.
Oh, French Noah Dobson. I think he's going to be a stud with the Islanders. Still a young guy, quarterback in the first power play. Take your time.
Instant impressions, the rat. Brad Marchand.
The Brad. Big Brad with the easer. Supposed to go to the first round of the playoffs.
They're probably
Florida?
gonna
I think they're
win.
playing Florida. It's going to be a
I think.
good match.
Dazzler.
We got
I don't recognize him.
Dazzler Vladislav Kolenchuk with the Coyotes. You know, the Coyotes didn't put up much of a fight this year, but they've got some talent. Dylan Gunther's going to be a stud.
Yeah. We also
Clayton
hope.
Keller's a stud.
Exclusive.
Ooh,
13 out of 100 card.
There we go.
Oh yes.
Unreal.
Oh.
Philip Bruce. Not sure who. Don't know much about him, but he.
We have another card in the card.
Chicago Blackhawks, an exclusive. Number 13 out of 100. We have one other exclusive, Niels Lundqvist. Yeah, these are hard to come by.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. What a beauty. I'll put that one right in there.
This is a way better box already.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, Nick Perbix. Young
Another
gun.
Perbix, yeah.
We can sell him to AMG again.
We could, yeah. All right, take your time here. Let me put some of this. Get some of these put away here.
Travis Zegas Canvas Black.
Very
Search.
nice. I don't know if
I think it's a rookie portrait of Mitchell.
what do we got? Mitchell Chaffee?
I don't really like those cards.
Oh, producer Cameron coming back. Trying to see what the boys are up to. Yes, buddy. What's that? Oh, you brought your tunnel out.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
That's a cool one.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Only have 5 packs left.
Nope. Yeah. Well,
Another. Ooh,
Tage Thompson.
Tage Thompson.
He has been having a great year.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Tage Thompson.
Yeah,
Lunchbox.
he's a stud. Ooh.
Cool Rock.
Ooh, another young gun. There we go. Cole Reinhardt with the Sens. Alright, let's put that one away. Yes, buddy.
Okay.
Alright. What do we got?
Superstar Honor Roll.
I'm pretty sure our last video I was calling these superstar showcases and Jackson was quick to correct me. Not much, not special, just a insert.
Second last pack.
Oh, I think Mom's talking to you, buddy. Trying to bribe our producer with some blueberries.
Another
Oh,
yellow.
let's go. Ethan Prow. This has been a much better box.
I think that's our 7th young gun.
We're gonna have to tally them up at the end of the video and see what we ended
I'm
up
pretty
with.
sure you get 6 young guns in a box. Last pack.
Well, I'm glad we went back for another one because this
Good luck.
was
I think I see another superstar card. And Jordan
Harris.
Honor.
Okay, so let's do a quick recap of some of the some of the young guns we got. So you want to show them up? All right. So there's
So
Ethan Brown with this.
young gun.
That's with Buffalo, right?
Yeah, we got this
You have to look out.
exclusive
You have to
10
look at this guy a
out
little
of
more.
100.
Philip
Philip
Ruse.
Ruse.
Chicago.
Golden exclusive. And yeah, Shane Wright, young gun.
The Kraken.
Yeah. Brandon
Bedeck.
Bedeck,
Yeah. The Habs. Cole Reinhardt.
yeah.
Sens. Corey Schoonerman. Oh, yeah, I'm 9% sure I did not say that right. Ooh, yeah, try to say that last name. Jack-I. We call him Wi-Fi.
UD Canvas Young Gun from Montreal.
I like that one. He's a fan favorite.
This Trevor Zegras blackout card. I have to look at this.
Regular canvas, but still kind of
Black.
the black is always nice.
And Nick Herbig, our second one.
So we might have to trade him in for.
My name is Jackson.
And I'm Cody, and that's Jax&Co. Reviewing our second box of the 2022-2023 Upper Deck Series. Signing off.